So guys, I just got home from work and the package has finally arrived. I'm pretty sure you guys already know what's inside of the box. We're going to be opening everything up and getting everything sorted out and making sure everything's good inside the box. And pretty much we're going to be just doing unboxing. I will be setting it up, but I'll be doing that later on. Right now I'm just going to open it up and make sure everything's good. So let's get to that. God dang it, this box is like so big, bro. Watch out. I really gotta go on each side to open this box. Look at that pipe. Look at that pipe. Stainless steel. Set it right there for right now. So I'm guessing this is the little resonator that they have. And then, oh yeah, look at that right inside of there. It looks nice. Probably can't see through it. The welds aren't that bad. It does look really nice. I don't know what my old exhaust looks like, but we're gonna find out once we get under the car. And this is one side of the tip. Look at that. I wonder if I can just attach this to my stock, just the tips to my stock Y pipe for right now. And this, I'm guessing the tips will be in this part. It's a nice little AWE package. We got the hardware, like all the clamps and stuff that come inside of it. And the other side, it says AWE Track Edition Serial. Nice little rainbow weld right here. Yeah, they don't look bad. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I'm not a welder, but these don't look that bad. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, so I just got to my mom's house. We're gonna be installing it over here. This is the only place with a backyard that I can get into and a flat surface. So we're gonna be installing it here. We're gonna be getting everything opened up and put out and laid out, and then I'm gonna show you guys like from that step and forward. So this is the whole exhaust right here that we got everything set up, and then the rest of the goodies we got inside the box over here. Let's get this out right now while we're at it. So this is everything right here, and we're about to get under here. We're gonna be putting it on these ramps over here. Let's get it jacked up on the ramps. Listen to this idle. This is on warm too. This is a warm idle. About to get under this joint and get everything unhooked and set up. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get it. Let's go ahead and get it all set up and ready to go. So the other day we ended up not being able to get the exhaust off. We had to go get some more shit, but everything was closed. But now we are finally getting everything set up, and we got all the tools and everything done. We got the mufflers off, we got the mid pipe off, and the Y pipe. Well, the Y pipe and the mid pipe are one is stock. So we're just gonna be connecting all this shit and putting it together. I'll be gonna show you guys. Shout out to my boy J-Rock for helping me out. Shout out to my boy T for coming and helping me out.
Not even, like, we're doing this shit with no lift. This shit is difficult, like really hard.
Hey, we make it do what we make it do.
As you can see,
We make it do what we make it do.
We are at AutoZone.
Yes, just in case you know the parts. That stainless steel. Stainless steel. Like a pull up. Gotta be just opening up, you know what I'm saying? Those chrome tips. What do you call an AWE sticker? Look how shiny they are. Shiny ass tips. Of course, you know they got the blow pop. The blow pop. It's just shiny, nice and chrome. Okay guys, we just finished the exhaust. We finally got it fully installed and it took us about 4.5, 5 hours. Yesterday we tried to get it installed, but we didn't have all the tools and the bolts were like super rusty. But today we came prepared and we got it ready. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys a cold start and letting you hear how it sounds.
I
told you that's why we need to go on the street.
Why?
So you can actually hear the fucking parking lot really hear like